Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Merry Christmas everybody. And my daughter Tasha, that's her character on the game she plays online. She made the little strawberry girl thing. Christmas cookies. And no, that's not all that's left, guys. I did not get that hungry. They bagged them all up, except for those. Anyways, I'll turn you around here. I'm doing alright. I got the bullet out of my eye, the metal. Antibiotics now. My autoimmune system kicked in because of the metal in there. Foreign body. It had to fight it. And anyways, feeling kind of garbagey, but we'll make it. At least that's not in there no more. Y'all take care of yourselves and Merry Christmas. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.